Good morning students. This is class 8th for math subject. Students, before starting your AB assignment, let me take pledge related with COVID-19. So here is the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win the fight against COVID-19. Thank you. So let us start chapter number 19, that is circles. So before starting this chapter, let me introduce about circles. So what is a circle? Circle is a simple closed figure formed by a set of points that are equal distance from a given point, that is called radius. So we can say circle is a closed figure. So बच्चे, this is the fixed point. So up to fixed point from this point here, so also from this point here, this point, and when I will join this point, it will form a circle. So this fixed point is known as center of the circle, and this fixed distance is known as radius. Okay, radius is the distance from a fixed point to the boundary of the circle. So this blue color boundary, this whole boundary is known as circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. If we will get a double, means this is known as center. If any line from the boundary of one place and it passes through the center and touches to the other point of the boundary, this line is known as diameter. So diameter is also double of radius. Diameter is equal to double of radius. Okay, this is the center. This distance to the boundary of circumference, this distance is known as radius, and if we will extend this distance and touch the boundary other point on the boundary, so this full line is known as diameter. So up to here I think it is clear to you. Then next is interior and exterior. Interior means the place which is inside the circle. The place that is inside the circle is known as interior. जो point इसके अंदर होंगे, suppose here is point M, here is point N. These are the interior point of the circle. And what is exterior? Exterior means outside, बाहर. जो भी point इसके बाहर होंगे, suppose here is point R, so this point is known as exterior. I think this is the clear to you. Then next is chord. Chord of a circle. Chord of the circle means a chord is a line segment that joins any two points on the circle. It is a line that joins any 2 points on the circle. Suppose this is the circle, this one is the center. Here I took 1 point, here I took second point. When I will join these 2 points, this line is known as chord. Chord can be here, chord can be here, chord can be here, chord can be here, chord can be here. Okay, so it means diameter, it can be also a chord. So diameter is the longest chord. सबसे बड़ी chord कौन सी है? Diameter. Then next is concentric circles. Concentric circles means 2 or more circles that has same center. If you will observe from here, this small circle, then this circle, all the circles has same center point O. So these all circles are known as concentric circles and they have common radii. Radii means radius. Then arc of a circle. Suppose this is your circle and any part on the boundary line, this part is known as arc. Okay, arc is a part of circle between any 2 points. Suppose this is the circle. Here I took this point on the boundary or circumference, and another point is this. So this one is the small part. ये छोटा part है. This is known as arc. Okay, so this is the small one. It is also known as minor arc. Minor means छोटी सी. ठीक है. And the left one is जो बच गई है, that is known as major arc. Okay, I think concept is clear to you. Then next is segment of a circle. Segment means the region of a one point I want to tell to you. Suppose this is P, this one is Q, this point is T. ठीक है. How to represent arc? P, T, Q. इसके ऊपर इस तरह डाल देते हैं. ठीक है. This is the sign for arc. Okay. So next is segment of a circle. The region of a circle bounded by an arc and the chord. Suppose this is the circle, this one is your arc और ये कोई chord है. ठीक है. इसके बीच में जो भी आपका रीजन है, दिस वन इज नोन एज सेगमेंट. ये कौन सा बन गया? सेगमेंट. ठीक है. एंड दिस इज माइनर आर्क, सो दिस विल आल्सो वी कैन से दिस इज माइनर सेगमेंट. ठीक है. एंड द लेफ्ट पोर्शन इज नोन एज मेजर सेगमेंट. मेजर सेगमेंट. ठीक है. वंस अगेन आई विल रिपीट टू यू. दिस इज एन आर्क, दिस इज अ कॉर्ड, जो इसके बीच में स्पेस है, दैट इज नोन एज सेगमेंट. सो दिस इज माइनर आर्क, तो माइनर आर्क वाला होगा माइनर सेगमेंट. जो बच गया है दैट इज अ मेजर. मेजर मीन्स बड़ा. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज सेक्टर. सेक्टर बच्चे, दिस इज द सर्कल, दिस इज योर सेंटर पॉइंट, दिस इज रेडियस, दिस इज अनदर रेडियस, दिस इज एन आर्क. So it is the space bounded in 2 radius and 1 arc, that is known as sector. Or this is the small one, we can say it is a minor sector. Minor means छोटा. Suppose you have a cake. Cake की example याद रखना. When we cut a cake from the center point, ठीक है, this piece is known as sector. And जो बच गया है, this one is known as major segment. I think this concept is clear to you. So what we have done today, we have done about center, radius, circumference, interior, exterior, chord of a circle, then minor arc, major arc, minor segment, major segment, sector of a circle, and one is left semicircle. Suppose this is your circle. When we cut from the center, it will divide into 2 parts. this is the first part, this is the second part. So each part is known as semicircle. So half of the circle is known as semicircle. So बच्चे, this is the concept. From this concept we can solve exercise 19.1. Same है राजे, conceptual questions are there. I will send to you written assignment. Take help from them. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. All the best.